These past 2 years and some change have been the most transformative spaces of my life. I've lived listening to Whistle in the shower when you get ready, or when you decide to play nap roulette and end up sleeping for 8 hours during the daytime, or watching how excited you get when we watch Survivor, how your heart pours out when we get lost in the plot of This Is Us, how passionate your brain works when you learn something new, and how you allow me to love on and pick up stray cats that all of a sudden end up on our porch every morning for breakfast. I love the way you make sure to tell me to dream safely each and every night. Yes, I love you for all of the conscious places that you take me, but my love for you is so much deeper than that.
Priscilla Ellen Marie. Imagine me on January 13th, 2020 at 1:10 p.m. when Alex texted me, blatantly asking me if she could hook us up. The universe told me to do something that, at that time, I had never done before. Take a chance. Little did I know, that chance was the chance of a lifetime. I couldn't be more grateful for the moment I said yes. You, or any of these people here today who love me so much, could have never convinced me that I would find my person and embrace love enough to get married one day. But that's just it. You didn't tell me. You showed me. You are the first person in my life who got it through my hard head that it's okay to stop thinking so damn much, and okay to just feel, to trust. Then, when I felt and I trusted, you made it safe enough for me to continue doing so.
Today, as we gather together in our beautiful Bay Area, we take ourselves out of the usual routines of daily living to witness a magical moment in the lives of Priscilla and Kenneth. Today, they join their lives in the union of marriage. Marriage is a commitment in life where two people can find and bring out the very best in each other. It offers opportunities for sharing and growth that no other human relationship can equal, a physical, spiritual, and emotional joining that has the promise of a lifetime. As you wear these rings, may they be constant reminders of these glad promises you are making here today. By the power invested in me by the state of California, it is my honor to declare you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.
My heart to feel this way again, and I just need a little more time to make sure what we're doing is right. I just need a little more time to make sure that we're doing this right. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Figure that I'd stop by just one more time and let you know what's really on my mind. Oh yeah, we both got a lot to say, but the words escape. It never seems to be an easy way. No, no. I hope and pray we at least get just one more dance. We deserve to give this love a chance. Cause we got enough to try. We just need a little more time. make sure we get it right. Oh yeah, and maybe in time we can figure out just what these moments are all about. All we guaranteed is a little change. Oh, I don't want my heart to feel this way again. And I just need a little more time to make sure